Hi guys, Jeremy Miner, technical agronomist for Channel Seeds covering Southeast Iowa, out in the field today with your Tuesday trivia from the Tailgate. Let's take a look at some leaves that I pulled and see if you can distinguish whether or not these are diseases or not. Okay, so this field was planted April 21st. We've got some tassels out, some pollen flying, and if we're looking to be spraying a fungicide, we're gonna wanna do that about R1. So right after silking, when silks start to turn brown, we'll be wanting to pay attention a little bit more so we can protect that yield. What we're looking at right here is the beginnings of some northern corn leaf blight on this leaf. You can see kind of a longer cigar-shaped lesion expanding out over past the veins in between the leaves there. And northern corn leaf blight, something you should be looking for today. So if we zoom in here, and right in front of my finger there, you can see what I think is the beginnings of gray leaf spot there. It's a little lesion, very small, staying within the veins of the corn leaves itself. There's a couple of other smaller versions right up here, you can see. And yeah, so the beginning stages of gray leaf spot here. This is where it gets a little tricky because we're looking at lesions that right off the bat maybe look like gray leaf spot. They're elongated, kind of rectangle shaped, but upon further inspection you can see that they're transparent. And if we take the leaves and flip them over, what we notice is this is actually insect feeding from an insect known as the corn blotch leaf miner. The corn blotch leaf miner gets in between the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves and then feeds in between. So this is typical damage from a corn blotch leaf miner, and it's not gray leaf spot. Always good to double check both sides of the leaves. Japanese beetles are feeding on silks in cornfields right now as well. It's good to pay attention to the level of silk clipping and determine whether or not you need to add an insecticide like Leverage 360 to your Delaro fungicide application. So now's the perfect time to be out scouting for that early disease development, and it's also good to understand that there's some insect feeding going on right now that can mimic some of that disease development and symptomology showing up on the leaves. So hey, thanks for joining me today. Your Tuesday trivia from the Tailgate. Jeremy Miner, Channel Seeds covering Southeast Iowa. Have a good day.